you feeding yourself egg? Are you eating egg? Getting it in your hands, huh? Putting some back. Yummy. Mmm. Ah, you dropped it. Can you get another piece? Dropping a lot of the egg. Want Mama to feed you? I'll have that piece. Okay. You want it? Okay. Mmm. Yummy. Get that egg in there. Here. Want some more? Since a lot of it's dropping on the floor. Yeah. Mmm. Mmm. Egg. What do you think? Do you like it? Good? I think that means it's good.